Hi, second graders. I hope you are doing some e-learning every day by watching the videos we are making and trying out the activities. Today, I am going to review problem solving with you. We will be writing problems that have us do some and some more stories and then solving them. Watch as I model for you the first problem. You're going to need something to write with and some paper. Problem 1. I'll write out my problem for you. Justin found 9 Easter eggs. Justin found 9 Easter eggs. Kristen found 8 Easter eggs. So my problem says, Justin found 9 Easter eggs, Kristen found 8 Easter eggs. How many Easter eggs did they find? So now I have my whole problem. I'm ready to solve. The first thing when I solve is I want to draw a picture. Justin found 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. I just use ovals that look like eggs. And Kristen found 8. So there's my picture. Justin has 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And Kristen has 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next thing I need to do is write my equation. 9 plus 8 equals... Now I have to think about it. I remember practicing my facts during rocket math, and I know that 9 plus 8 equals 17. If I got a little rusty about my facts, I could remember to put 9 in my head and count on 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 9 plus 8 equals 17. The last thing I need to do is write my answer with a label. And they were finding Easter eggs, so they have 17 Easter eggs. So when you're going to practice some and some more story problems, first of all, you have to think about a problem that you could solve and write it out. Then you need to draw a picture, then you need to write the equation, and the last thing is you need to label it. I got a few other problems ready for us to help us work with our double-digit adding and with some regrouping. Here's a problem 2 for us. Steve found 27 rocks in his driveway. His sister gave him 35 more rocks. How many rocks does Steve have? I'm going to use my workspace to set my problem up. I know that Steve found 27 rocks and his sister gave him 35 more. I wrote my problem nice and neat, and I kept my 10s lined up and my 1s lined up. Remember, I always start in my 1s column. 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 equals 12. So I'm going to write my 2 in my 1s column because 12 is 1, 10, and some more. And I'm going to carry the 1, 10. So 7 plus 5 is 12. I wrote down the 2. and I carried the 10. Now I'm going to add my tens column. 2 plus 3 is 5, and 1 more is 6. So Steve, how many rocks does Steve have? He has 62 rocks. Now I'm going to write my equation. 27 plus 35 equals 62. And then I'm going to write my answer, 62 rocks. So there's my equation. 27 plus 35 equals 62. And the answer, 62 rocks. And in my workspace, I showed my work for the problem. Now I'll show you another problem that works with having you write some and some more story problems. Here's my third problem. Mike counted 46 toy tractors on one shelf. Later he counted 39 toy tractors in the box. How many toy tractors altogether? Again, I'm going to use my workspace to help me solve the problem. 46 plus 39. So now I have my problem set up in my workspace. I'm always going to start in my ones column. I have 6 plus 9. I know that 6 plus 9 is 15. I'm going to write, I know that 15 is made up of 1 10 and 5 ones. So I'm going to write down my 5 and carry my 10. 6 plus 9 is 15. I wrote down my 5 and I carried my 110. Now I'm going to add the 10s together. 4 plus 3 is 7 and 1 more is 8. Now I'm going to write my equation. 46 plus 39 equals 85. And then I'm going to write my answer. 85 toy tractors. There you go. Now you can get some paper and write your own some and some more story problems and then solve them and have a family member check them for you. Keep working on your math skills. We miss you. Have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.